Guys, back at it again. This time we are installing a new Seibon MB style spoiler on none other than, that's right, Supra. So we're actually installing this carbon one, so getting it all set up, and look at that. That thing look nice or what? So we're installing this one today, and got it all prepped up, cleaned it off, taped it off, and about to test fit it on there, and getting ready to adjust it on there and see how it looks. So we're about to knock that out real quick, but first I'm actually going to wrap this one up back again with this film that it came with, just to protect it and not scratch it or anything. And comes with the hardware. These are the little guide zip tie style clips, whatever you want to call them. So these are actually, they'll go on there on the hose where the bolts actually mount up, and then you put it on the car, secure it in place, and you start draining your hose. And then you got all the weather packs and stuff to protect from water getting in there. So let's get on with the show. All right, so I wrapped it up to protect it, just in case anything. Also did my marks here, and kind of got it lined up. This is just a little test fit. I'm actually gonna pull it back off and install the little ties, little zip tie style plastics, the guides, to kind of get a start getting ready to drill the holes, the critical part, you know. So but first here, let me show you guys what I'm talking about in regards to lining up. See, the way I lined it up, it's here, like if you barely feel the edge and then you touch the wing, that's the alignment that I'm getting, like front back. And then the side to side, the way you get it is in here inside. I don't know if you guys can see, like right in there, you see where it actually seats against the hatch itself. So there's like a little lip that you see. So I'm keeping that lip around 1 mil sticking out on both sides. See, the same thing with this side, right in there you see that lip. It's a bit hard to see, but if you guys are doing it, then you guys will be able to see it. So about 1 mil sticking out, same thing over here, and the same way you just barely come up from the hatch and feel that the spoiler already. So that's where I set it at. Got my markings down, just little guides, and I'm gonna double check anyways before I drill anything, make sure we're good. So let's go ahead and take it off, put the ties on, and secure it in place. All right, this is the lip I'm telling you guys right here. All right, so you guys see it like sticking out, like barely out the hatch. See, like 1 mil. So that's it right there. On both sides, it's got the same thing. Rosie. Yeah, see, that's it right there. Rosie. All right, so here we go. Installing these bad boys already. See, this one fits kind of tight. This is loose. So what I'm gonna do, see, that's how they go. They go on here. Put them on there. All right, so I'm gonna put a small piece of tape just to kind of help it hold in place so they won't fall, but not so much either, because once you take this off, these have to remain on the car itself. So same thing on this side, that one fits loose. Put a small piece of tape on there just to help me secure it there until I secure these to the car perfectly, then remove that. See, that one's kind of loose as well. All right, so there it is. We'll go ahead and install it on the car. All right, there it is, lined up, little guide zips aligned. About to take it off, they're secured, so that's it right there. Pull this off, they'll stay in place, but since I put tape on them, hopefully, there it goes. There it is. Alright, I got my zip ties line down. About to start drilling the holes. Right there. Some more. Let's get ready to drill. I'm gonna start with a small bit that fits in that hole perfectly, just to get your initial hole. Make sure you stop as soon as you feel it go through, because you don't want to go all the way through. There it goes. There it goes, all the way through. Now the other side. There it goes. You feel it go all the way through. As soon as it goes through, just let off, because you don't want to go into the bottom piece. All right, now go with your 3/16" bit and finish making the hole. All right, so we're about to put these weather seals on. All right, there it goes. I just cleaned these pieces off with alcohol. Okay, holes are drilled, ready to actually finish installing it. So I'm about to and stick these on. Okay, let's go right here. Just to protect from any water to go in. And then it takes another one that goes all around. On this side, line her up with the hole. There it is. Alright, now to install this is a small trim piece right here. So I'm actually going to start from the bottom, work my way up. Cut it right there.
Nice.
Come from there down. There it is. Do the same thing for the other side. There it is, and now to install it. Alright, there it is. That thing is on. Moment of truth. About to take the wrap off, see what it looks like. Done. Wow. That thing looks sick. Yep. Real nice. A little crooked, but nah, just playing, guys. The thing is nice and straight. Look at that. What y'all think? Y'all let me know what y'all think. Comment below, like, share, subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one.